Crucial update: mandatory BIS standards for hinges. Are you a manufacturer, importer, or exporter of hinges? Stay compliant. The DPIIT's Hinges Quality Control Order 2025 mandates BIS certification for various hinges. This ensures quality and safety, impacting manufacturers and importers. Compliance, enforced by BIS, is mandatory from 1 July 2025. This order aims to standardize manufacturing and imports. Non-compliance attracts penalties. Need assistance navigating these new standards for certification or manufacturing? Contact SJ EXIM Services at the given email ID in the bio, now for expert guidance and ensure your business is fully compliant.